Okay, do you know how to play this? Okay, hey, it's Daisy, and today I'm playing Cattletale with Kimry Perry. So let's go to the, oh, we're watching it. But first of all, let's go take care of him. So this is his station. So do you know what to do?
Where's the kitty finger?
Drag the scoop. There, now drop it. Now, water. And then food. Now, he needs to play, he needs to be groomed, and he needs a doctor's appointment. So which shall we do first? Play? Okay. So, which one? Okay, make the same. No, it has to be this one. No, not yet. So, Kimry, you're absolutely failing it.
You do it.
Okay, then. So, let me show you how to do it. So, see this pattern on the notebook? But you're not supposed to. Oh, that's actually a neat way of cheating, though. That's great. I didn't know you could do that. Oh. I guess you can't cheat that way. I guess it heard me. Should we try again? But let me show you how to actually do. Oh, laser pointer. So in this game, you're supposed to knock down as many items as possible. I still remember how to do this. I never did it the same way Chloe did because, in my opinion, that's just idiotic.
What did Chloe do?
She went like that at the box. Make it absolutely certain that, yes, as they knock it down, but it gets you less stuff. Now, with that box. Oh my. Did you hear that tune? Did you hear how, messed up it sounded this time? Well, anyways, would you like to try the Feather Duster game alone? Okay, now. Copy what's on the clipboard, but don't trace what's on the clipboard.
No! Oh! Sorry.
I think you did the wrong pattern, but still recognize the pattern. So do N. Now I'll do the last one. This is so entertaining to watch. Okay. Now let's see. Does he need to play anymore? Oh. Looks like he might be done for today, but let's just go back and check just in case. Yeah, he's done for the day. He's all good. Should we watch him or should we go to sleep?
Go to sleep.
Okay then. Oh, Leo's leaving. And thanks for taking such good care of my Leo. You're welcome. Level up. So eventually I'm going to customize this place, but not while you guys are here because, No, I do not want to rate this. Okay. Feed. Okay, so, yeah. Oh, wow. Fun. Maisie has been sluggish today, and Wadsworth wants Maisie to get a little fun and excitement. Yeah, of course. Should we move rooms? Yeah, let's switch rooms. Come on.
Bring the puppet doctor.
Okay, then. By the way, guys, go check out my other two. Those are stackables.
Are these yours?
Yes and no. Marianne just dropped them off with the rest. Come on, Kimry. We gotta check this. This cat's been sluggish, so we gotta it was fun. So we don't need to groom it. We just need to play with it, okay? And the cat likes the smashing game the most. So do you know how to play the smashing game?
Rosie.
Do you know how to play the smashing game?
Out. Can you tell Rosie to
Rosie,
get out?
out. Do you know how to play the smashing game though?
Out.
Do you know how to play the smashing game?
No.
Well, let me show you. So they have a favorite game, which is the smashing game. So yeah. 3, 2, 1. So, see how it says cup? Piggy bank. Piggy bank. Is it Gabby cup again or vase? Oh, rubber ducky. Okay. Cup. Okay. That's cute. Piggy bank. And Rosie's just playing with her Duplos. That's what that sound is coming from. Okay. Now, rubber ducky. Now, do you get what the smashing game is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Smashed all the objects. But now let's take a look. Okay, you still need to play, so you may play the smashing game now. Pay close attention.
Rubber ducky. Piggy bank. Where's this disco?
That goes there.
Here?
Yeah. You just started placing stuff in the wrong order. It's supposed to be placed in correct order. Round 3. What was on round 3? Hint. It was up here.
Rubber ducky.
Drag it. And now here. Okay. So you did good. Okay. Now let's see if this is Kaz done playing today. Nope. Shall we play another game? Aim of the smashing. Oh, you want to do laser pointer this time?
This one.
Oh, ow, my head bumped into a wall. What are you doing with the mobs and symbol?
Ah!
Hey, stop. You're supposed to knock over the balls and the boxes. Not the base. No. Guys, do you notice how messed up the music is, though? I mean, when I complete a game, the music sounds a little bit messed up. Okay, now it sounds good, but for the first bit, it just didn't the music just didn't sound right. It didn't quite make the cat as happy to play that game.
Too long tail.
Okay, so now let's cup, piggy bank, vase, rubber ducky, cup, piggy bank. Backflip. Yep. Nice.
Wait, Daisy.
Yeah.
One of my shorts changed is that color of unicorn, then it changes this color of unicorn.
Yeah, exactly.
My short changes. It's a flippy and it changes this color to this color.
They can't see us, you know.
Mhm.
Okay. So now we got. Okay, so we just need to play one more game, and it can be any game we want. No, we can do that one.
Mhm.
And plus, after this day, we have to stop the recording because we can't. Why you just scribble in there?
Mhm.
You just have to make the box in the path stop scribbling. Stop scribbling it.
I'm not trying.
You scribble in it.
I'm
Did you hear that? The music was messed up for one spot. Guys, I know that everyone's scared of Gacha Life glitches, but the music in this game is seriously concerning me. Yes, this cat is out of energy and needs to sleep, but we completed all the goals. So everybody, oh wait one sec, we gotta feed and water the cat. Well, anyways, guys, that's all for today. Anyways, bye everybody.